This 2021 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 303 QBCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Coachman is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features one Slideout, sleeps 9, Skylight, smoke detector, external shower, stove top burner, spare tire kit, awning, DVD player, oven, air conditioning, TV, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 303 QBCK is 7,127 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.